Hello, near manufacturing. I have already washed pieces and I have full wheelbarrow with washed up pieces, but I moved to shed for painting, and these two is already washed, but this I should to wash. There is another pieces, and inside in my workshop I do still have pieces what I should to wash. I'm using this motor washing or engine washing liquid. I mix it with 1 to 5 with water, and I use this sprayer to spray up liquid on these pieces. Wait a couple of minutes, and then by my new Karcher Key 5 Premium I can wash these pieces very well. Thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.